parents, if you are a parent, a grandparent, future parent, would-be parent under the sound of my voice, please come closer. Sit in front because this video right here is for you. 3 toothbrush mistakes that parents make. Our parents made, we are making. And if you refuse to share this video or to teach your children what I'm talking about in this video, they are going to make the same mistakes. Number 1, using the same toothbrush for 6 months, for 8 months, for 1 year, and even 2 years. Why? You are supposed to change your children's toothbrush every 3 months. And hang on. If the bristle of your child's toothbrush is like this, please, it is time to say goodbye. Number 2, brushing too hard. For crying out loud, parents, it is called toothbrushing, not scrubbing contest. Gentle circles can do that trick. Parents, be warned. Number 3, allowing your children to use adult toothpaste. Allowing these children to use adult toothpaste can be very detrimental to their health. Why? Because the adult toothpaste has a very high amount of fluoride that can lead to dental fluorosis, which can cause white patches, white streaks on their developing tooth. Furthermore, the adult toothpaste contains abrasive ingredients which can cause sensitivity to these children's developing teeth and gums. Correct these mistakes and let us raise healthy smiles together. Thank you for watching this video. I am your one and only The Teeth Diary, your go-to place for all things oral health. Give this video a thumb up, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.